Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about sharing like a side where you can earn money. So today I'm gonna be showing you another website, where you can, test like apps and stuff and earn money. So this is the site. So I'm gonna go take you through to how this site works and stuff. So go to use a testing tool, set up your minute at first, result in hours. So how user testing user brain works. So number one, set up a task, test anything with the link, make use of templates and get set up in a minute. And number two, select testers, tap into our pool of 85k plus quality assured testers, target their demographics and screen for prior experiences, happy to our preferences. And number three, watch video, get videos of real people interaction with your product in just a few hours. So this fast and affordable user testing for website and prototypes. So I'm gonna go scroll down where I'm gonna see where I want to become a tester. So this testimonies, yeah, testimonies. So yeah, get paid to test. Mm, so how is it power? So this is my dashboard, guys. So I've opened this account quite like last week, I think. Yeah, so I haven't received any test yet, but hopefully I will receive it. So if I do receive it and make some cash, I will show you guys and how much I've earned on this site. So yeah, this is a dashboard. Yeah. So yeah, this is a dashboard. Okay, guys. So right about now, I'm gonna show you the reviews for this site. Show you guys that I don't bring any scams here. Like I bring like a legit side, even though this one I haven't like received like any task yet, but I did check out the reviews on the internet, and then it's quite legit. So I'm gonna quickly show you the reviews here on Capterra. So user brain reviews. So that's 4.3. So I show you guys, this is a legit site where you can earn like money just by testing apps. Yeah. So let me just quickly show you pros and cons. Okay, the pros of this site is, the second thing I really like is rapid help with the first video. The prototype did not work and I guess I'm supposed to reply my question right away. So this is the pros of this site. And then the cons, the user can take anywhere from 2 to 20 minutes to complete the task. There should be a minimum amount of time a user can take to go through the exercise, or risk not being credited if they do not, I don't know if you don't know what, but this basically the pros and cons. Yeah. So yeah, 4.3 out of 5 stars. So yeah, guys, this is it. So this is a rating and stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna So yeah guys, so I'm gonna see you on the next video guys, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and comment if you have any question in regard to this site. And other than that, I will see you on the next video guys. So yeah, bye bye and peace out.